Alright, in this problem, they tell us to find the vertex and the line of symmetry of the graph of f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. Standard form, you should recognize that there are no parentheses. Standard form is basically in descending order. Descending order basically means the exponent, so it's x to the second, x to the first, x to the 0. Here I can identify my a, b, and c. Class my a value is? It is the coefficient in front, that is negative 2. My b value? And my c value is? Negative 4. First thing I'm going to do is going to find the line of symmetry, or axis of symmetry. Partner A, tell partner B the equation. Jasmine, the equation for the axis of symmetry? Fractions you should be writing vertically. Have this minus sign there. So I have the b value, which is negative 7, 2 times the a value, which is negative 2. Class, does that read 2 minus 2? No, remember that's a multiplication between the 2 and the a. So I have the opposite of negative 7. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So negative divided by negative is a positive. So this is positive 7/4. And the opposite of positive 7/4 is a negative. So x equals negative 7/4. Alright, we found the axis of symmetry. And let's now find the vertex. Partner B, tell partner A what's the equation for the vertex. Leslie, the equation for the vertex. Alright, so basically what we did here is we just found the x value. This is an order pair. The vertex is an order pair. And we just found this. And what you're going to do with that is you're actually going to put it into the function itself. So this function up here, let me write it out with parentheses. F equals negative 2 times x squared minus 7 times x minus 4. And basically this value that we just found, negative 7/4, we're going to put in for every x value. So now I have negative 7/4 I'm going to use the order of operations, or PEMDAS. So negative 4th squared is 49 over 16. Remember, that's negative 7 squared and 4 squared. Really, that's 1/4 squared. Here I have a negative times a negative is going to become a positive. I'm going to multiply across, so that's 7 times 7 is 49 over 4. Minus 4. So here I can do some cross canceling. 2 goes into 16 how many times? 8, so I have negative 49 over 8. I have a denominator of 8, so I want this one to be the same. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 over 2. And this will give us what? 2 times 49 is? 98 over 8. And I want this one to be a denominator of 8 as well. So negative 4 is equivalent to negative 32 over 8. And the reason why I did that is now I can just subtract all the fractions. So negative 49 plus 98 gives me 49, and 49 minus 32 gives us 17 over 8. So f of negative 7/4 equals 17 over 8. Alright, let's give ourselves a visual to see what we actually did here. Just a really quick sketch, nothing super accurate. We're basically saying that the axis of symmetry, negative 7/4, goes in 1 and negative 3, so less than negative 2. Looks like a line like this. It's not an asymptote. It's just a visual where the graph folds in half. And this particular point in blue, your vertex, if you put in your graphing calculator, recognize that this point here is an A value, so it opens what? It opens down. I have a y-intercept of negative 4, so something like down here, my graph's going to go through. And this point here is actually our maximum. So the vertex lies on the axis of symmetry. 17 over 8 is a little bit more than 2, so maybe something like up here. And then our graph's actually going to go through there. It's going to look something like this. So basically what we're doing is we're finding characteristics of the graph without using our graphing calculator. Axis of symmetry folds our parabola in half. The graph is opening down. This vertex here is a maximum. And basically these algebraic pieces match our graphical.